Hey everyone, welcome back to M&M PTE NAATI. This is Manmohit. So guys, in today's video, I am going to share with you all another fill in the blank reading question with the explanation, the answers, why are we picking a certain answer, why is this not the right answer. So a bit of logic and explanation of what goes behind selecting the correct answers. So follow along. You can also pause the video at any stage to first try to solve the question by yourself and see how many correct answers can you get out of it. You can even put it down in the comment section below. And then you can follow along me of how do we pick the answers, what's the reason behind it, so that you can actually understand what is going on behind us selecting the correct answers. Just before I proceed, if you need help and support, online coaching with one-on-one feedback from me and Mohit for your PT Academic, PT Core, Nati Hindi, Nati Punjabi and Nati Gujarati, you can always contact us on either Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp. All the links, the numbers, everything is there on the screen and also in the description. So let's get started with this one. So that's the question that we have in front of us. And as we can see, there are 5 blanks in it and it is a drop-down based fill in the blank. Now let's have a look. It starts with the lute, a plucked string instrument. So that's the name of an instrument like a guitar or something. It's an instrument with a plucked string type. Dash a central role in European music from the late Middle Ages through the Baroque period. So they have given us a subject, they have told us what that subject is, and they have given us a blank. That clearly tells us a verb is missing in this sentence, like an action is missing. So what happened with that? So the lute, something, dash a central role. So obviously if they dash a certain role, so we play a certain role is the correct word over here. It's a collocation. We play a role, play a certain role. Out of the given options, as we could see, we have got the same word, but they've given us 4 different forms of it. Now we need to select the correct form of verb over here. Because we know it is in the past tense, a central role in European music from the late Middle Ages through the Baroque period. So it stayed for a bit, but it's in the past. So we need to use a verb which is in the past tense. Out of 4, we have only got 1 in the past tense, which is played. Hence, played is going to be my right answer. So the lute, a plucked string instrument, played a central role in European music. Then, its pear-shaped body and fretted neck dash it a versatile instrument for both solo and ensemble performances. So because of its specific body and fretted neck, so because of the shape of that instrument, dash it a versatile instrument. Out of the option, granted it a we can't grant something, like it's not a position that is to be granted, so that can't be the right answer. Made it a versatile instrument sounds logical, sounds perfect over here. Took it a versatile, that's grammatically incorrect. Gave it a versatile, gave is like if you give a tag, a position to something, which is not the case over here. Made is going to be my right answer. Its pear-shaped body and fretted neck made it a versatile instrument for both solo and ensemble performances. Unlike the modern guitar, the lute typically has paired strings which dash a richer, more resonant tone. So obviously if it creates a tone, that means it produces a tone because it's an instrument, a musical instrument. So we need something alongside. Produce, we already have it, which embody, assimilate, prolong. So these 3 words does not really go with this context because they do not have the same meaning. And like I said, which produce, because it's an instrument produces sounds. Hence produce is going to be the correct answer over here, which produce a richer, more resonant tone. During the Renaissance, the lute was highly valued by both professional musicians and amateur players. Its popularity gradually declined in the 18th century, so it got reduced as keyboard instruments became more fashionable. Dash the lute remains an important subject of study for those interested. Now here they have given us a new sentence, but these are contrasting sentences, opposite. In this sentence, they're saying its popularity gradually declined. That means it's a negative sentence. But then they're saying dash the lute remains an important subject of study, and that's a positive sentence. So they are combining negative sentence with a positive sentence. So we need a connector which is an opposite connector which connects 2 different types of sentences. Looking at the options, we have despite, therefore, unless and nevertheless. Despite can't come by itself. Despite of is what we always say. So that's wrong. Therefore means as a result of, which doesn't go over here. We need an opposite connector, remember. Unless again does not go over here. Nevertheless is going to be the right answer because nevertheless means even because of even that does not matter, still so and so. And that is an opposite connector which is connecting to different kind of sentences. Nevertheless, the lute remains an important subject of study for those interested in early music performance practices, and it dash frequently used in historically informed concerts today. Today is the keyword over here. So present tense is what we're talking about. So we need something which is in the present tense. It dash frequently used in historically informed. Options are is, was, be, been. Straight away, my correct answer needs to be the word is, because that is a present helping verb. Then we have got was, which is in the past. Be and been would be something when we use a third form. Is going to be my right answer. It is frequently used in historically informed concepts today. And if I check my answers, these are going to be my correct answers. So this is what I wanted to share in this video. I've got so many other videos as well on the same subject, different questions, explaining the fill in the blanks. You can go through that complete playlist to go through all the other videos as well. So you can practice alongside me and understand the logic behind why are we picking certain answers. What's the reason behind selecting them, just so that it helps your understanding a bit. It just helps you to understand the blanks a bit more deeper is what I would say. Like I said earlier, if you need your online coaching from us with one-on-one feedback, which is by the way, all 7 days a week from Mohit and myself, you can get in touch with us on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, reach out to us. We'll discuss with you your plans, your schedule. Based on that, we can suggest you how long will it take for you to prepare so that we can assist you in getting your desired scores on your very first go. Guys, all the very best for our exams coming soon. I wish you all the luck and I will see you all in the very next video.